No, AI is not taking over completely. Oh, you expected a long, deep dive, analysis filled TED Talk style breakdown? This channel is straight to the point. Why waste 15 minutes when you can get the answer in 10 seconds? Look, I could have spent the next 10 minutes showing charts, quoting experts, and making dramatic AI is the future statements. But let's be real. You're here for the answer, not an AI-generated essay. So here's the deal. AI is like that one coworker who helps a lot but still needs supervision. Will it replace developers? No. Will it help us be faster and lazier? Absolutely. And now, because I respect your time, let's get to the real reason we're here. Shameless self-promotion. If you love straight-to-the-point tech content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And if you don't, well, that's fine too. But just know that every time you skip subscribing, a developer somewhere writes another bug into production. Just saying. Alright, that's it. That's the video. Go touch some grass, or at least go pretend to work while scrolling YouTube Shorts. See you in the next one.